Embarking on a job search after 50 can be challenging, but with the right strategies, you can turn your experience into a valuable asset. In this video, we'll explore effective tips to help you navigate the job market and secure your next opportunity. Begin by refreshing your resume to highlight your most recent accomplishments and skills pertinent to the roles you're targeting. Emphasize your adaptability and continuous learning to counteract age-related biases. Consider removing dates that may reveal your age, such as graduation years, to keep the focus on your qualifications. Networking remains a powerful tool in job searching. Reconnect with former colleagues, join industry groups, and attend professional events to uncover hidden job opportunities. Building relationships can lead to referrals and insights into unadvertised positions. Stay current with technological advancements by engaging in online courses and familiarizing yourself with digital tools relevant to your industry. Utilize job search websites and professional networks like LinkedIn to expand your reach and visibility to potential employers. Approach interviews with confidence by preparing to discuss how your experience aligns with the company's needs. Be ready to address any concerns about age by emphasizing your enthusiasm, adaptability, and commitment to continuous learning. Explore alternative work arrangements, such as consulting, freelancing, or part-time roles. These options can provide flexibility and may lead to full-time positions. Additionally, they allow you to showcase your expertise and build a portfolio of work. While job hunting over 50 presents unique challenges, your experience and skills are invaluable assets. By updating your resume, leveraging your network, embracing technology, preparing thoroughly for interviews, and considering flexible opportunities, you can successfully navigate the job market and secure a fulfilling role. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more single parenting insights on career.